Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Walmart's pharmacy services. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can search everything at Walmart online and in store. Also in the top right corner, we have, as you can see, your items, account, and your shopping cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Walmart's pharmacy services. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically, to do so, you need to, of course, you have an online or mobile app so you can refill your prescription online at Walmart Pharmacy or through Walmart app. You have, of course, to transfer prescriptions. So if you want to transfer a prescription from another pharmacy to Walmart, you can do this online or via the app. Of course, that is with the app. So we have in-person services. You can visit any Walmart pharmacy location to refill prescriptions, ask questions, and get advice from pharmacies, schedule and receive vaccinations for flu, etc. You can mail order pharmacy for maintenance medications and 90-day supplies. You can use Walmart's mail order pharmacy services. You just need to sign up online or call 1-800 to refill to get started. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.